guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video, I've been looking at my car, man, and I noticed that my paint isn't as bright as it used to be, and I'm starting to notice that the paint is starting to look dull. I was wondering if I was to get my, get a paint correction, or get a paint correction and Ceramic Pro. Would that help with the shine on my car? Because I'm starting to notice the bottom of my car is starting to fade a little bit, and it's actually starting to look a little yellow. Now I know that's a problem with with white cars. The paint, it gets dull and it's starting to turn yellow. I haven't done any kind of paint correction or anything to my paint since I had the car. And the main reason why is because I wasn't going to keep the car. So now that I know I'm going to keep it, I'm thinking if it's worth, paying to have the car, to get the Ceramic Pro put on it, to try to bring some of the shine back and bring, and kind of protect the paint. Now the wax that I use, the little spray wax, I mean, that has worked perfectly, and that's great. But what I'm starting to notice is the rocks, they're starting to chip my paint. Now I don't know a whole lot about the Ceramic Pro, so I'm starting to do a little more research, because I know for a fact once I actually get a Scat Pack or a Hellcat, whatever I decide to get, I'm definitely going to get the Ceramic Pro put on it. But while I still have my car now, my RT, I definitely want to do something as far as the paint. Now I might just do a paint correction and just get a real good wax job done to the car, but I definitely need to do something. So I'm just trying to figure out what's the best route to go. Leave your comments, man. Let me know, give me some suggestions, man. Let me know what I should do, because my paint is definitely starting to look different. And my car the color of my car is bright white, and the bottom of my car is starting to look dull, man. It's starting to look yellow. So I'm just trying to figure out what route to go. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it on camera. Like, I washed my car yesterday, so it might not be as as clear as it was yesterday, because I was looking at my paint yesterday. I was like, God damn, So if I'm gonna keep the car, man, I definitely gotta do something to my paint. The only reason why I was thinking not to do it is because I'm not sure how expensive it is to get your car Ceramic Pro. From what I understand, I think it's maybe like $1,000, and it's kind of based off if you need a lot of paint correction done. And looking at my car, man, I probably will need that. The car's 4 years old, so I know for a fact the paint is not going to be in perfect condition. Now, I try to take care of my car as much as possible, but again, my car sits outside, so I don't have the luxury of parking washing my car and parking it in a garage. So I probably should have gotten it done when I first got the car, took it in and had the paint correction done and had a Ceramic Pro put on it. But at that time, I wasn't really even familiar with all that stuff. But now I'm hip, so I know what to do. So trust and believe, my next Charger will definitely get the Ceramic Pro put on it, man, because I can definitely see the difference in my paint, from when I first bought the car. And I'm not liking the way the bottom of the car looks. But let me show y'all what I'm talking about, man. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all, like, if you can look at my hood right here, I mean, you see a lot of little nicks and where the rocks and stuff been hitting my car, because like I said, I drive my car to work, like right here. See that, man? And when you look at the bottom of my car, I got a lot of that going on right here. You know what I'm saying? So and right now you can't really tell, because like I say, I washed the car yesterday, so you can't really see where the paint is chipping and it's actually kind of faded. Like right in here, you can see where it's like That's probably a lot of like tire wet and all that stuff on the car, because again, I don't have the little rock guards and all that stuff on here. So that's probably something I definitely will put on my next Charger. And like right here, it's a bunch of like scratches and stuff, man. That's definitely because I don't have like the Ceramic Pro on here. And with this white car, man, that's probably something you should definitely get as soon as you buy your car. And like on my spoiler, you can kind of see the scratches and stuff. Like right here, you can see on the door. You know, I got a lot of nicks and you know, rock. A lot of stuff from the rocks and stuff on the road. And like right here on my door handle. See what I'm saying? It's like right here on my door. A lot of little stuff. But if I didn't use that wax that I have, that spray wax, that Meguiar spray wax, it'd probably be in worse shape than it is now. And I'm gonna put a link in the description, man, where you know, you can get that wax, but that helped big time. But see, even right here, see that? You know, and eventually that's gonna start rusting, then it's gonna spread all over the car, and that's gonna look really bad, man. So I'm not liking that at all. Got another one right here. Yeah, man, it's I gotta do something about the paint on my car. So I just wanted to point that out, man. I'm thinking about taking it in and having the paint corrected and getting a Ceramic Pro put on it. And you know, because right here, like at the bottom, I know you can't see it on camera, man, but the car is starting to look a little yellow at the bottom, and that's all the way around the car, and I'm not feeling that at all. And I got the stuff to get this plastic dip off my car, but that's gonna be the next move, because again, I think I'm gonna put some more wheels on here, but I'm gonna take that plastic dip off and sell these wheels, because the rims are actually brand new rims. You know what I'm saying? Under this plastic dip, these rims are in like perfect shape, because I had the wheels plastic dip as soon as I bought the car. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be selling those. So if anybody interested in some OEM RT rims, holler at me, man. Hit me up on Instagram, DM me on Instagram, man, and we can make something happen, because I'm telling you, these rims are in perfect condition. And they definitely gonna be for sale. So, and I don't know if you can see this, but right here, see how that, man, it's just, and I've been trying to scrub this off forever, man. I cannot get that off the bottom of my car. And I understand the bottom of the car takes a beating, man, you know, just from driving, just regular driving. But I believe if I had the Ceramic Pro on here, it would probably look a little better than it does. So leave your comments, man. Let me know if it's worth getting my car Ceramic Pro now that, you know, the car's 4 years old. And I know I'm gonna need paint correction, so I'm just kind of on the fence about actually getting it done. But it's probably gonna be a lot of work, man, to have that done, because again, you know, the car is so old, man, and this paint has really been taking a beating. So just let me know what y'all think. Leave your comments. Let me know if you had it done on your car. Can you tell the difference? Is it worth it? Because I'm just, my car definitely doesn't shine like it used to when I first bought it. But that wax definitely make a difference, I'm telling y'all. So if you haven't picked up your bottle of that spray wax, I'm gonna leave a link in the description, man, where you can order that wax. Especially if you got like an older model, like if you got a 15, 16, even a 17. You put that spray wax on it, it'll definitely help your car, man, I'm telling you. But I think in the future, like my next Charger, I'm definitely gonna have it Ceramic Pro, man, because I don't want the same thing to happen to my new car. Especially if I get that indigo blue, I don't have a choice but to get it Ceramic Pro, man, because that's a pretty color. I want it to stay like that. I don't have a garage yet, so It's gonna be outside, and I want that thing to shine all time. You know what I'm saying? All time. Because I watch a lot of videos. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube of people having their car ceramic pro'd, and from what I understand, it leaves a certain gloss on your car, man. You don't really have to, you know, wash it as, you know, frequently as you would if you didn't have, you know, the ceramic pro on it. And that's definitely the dilemma I'm facing, man. My car's sitting outside, and it's raining, snowing, you know, all kinds of damn hell. I mean, it's all kind. We get all kinds of weather in the DMV. So that indigo blue, it'll definitely get damaged if I don't have it ceramic pro. So that's gonna be my #1 priority. And I actually already contacted someone about it, but I haven't gotten a price because they said that they would need to actually see the car first to see how much of paint correction it would need, and you know, then they can go from there. So that's what this video is about today, guys. I appreciate all the new subscribers. The weather is really starting to break now, so the car meets are about to start up. And once that starts, man, it's gonna be crazy, man. This channel is gonna go crazy because I'm gonna be at each and every one of them, getting all kinds of footage. You're gonna start seeing me, you know, doing some burnouts and, you know, having some fun, man, in my RT or my Scat Pack or the 2020 wide body. You never know. It's up in the air right now, man. But I'm waiting to see what the wide body is gonna look like in person. And trust me, man, if that thing is what I think it's gonna be, 2020 wide body will be coming to the channel. Trust and believe that, because that joint looked good, man, from what I saw. When I saw that second video, and when I saw those pictures, the close-up pictures of that wide body, it completely changed my mind. Because I wasn't sure, like I said in my other video, how they were going to handle that. And it looks like Dodge did the damn thing, man. So I'm just kind of trying. I'm kind of glad that I waited now, because that's going to be something serious. And I'm not sure if they're going to offer it in the RT. I hope not. I hope that they should keep that car exclusively for the Hellcat and the Scat Packs. You know what I'm saying? The wide body Scat Pack and the wide body Hellcat. I don't think the RT trim needs it. Definitely not the V6 trim. But knowing Dodge, that's what they're gonna do. Trust me. Because the demand's gonna be too high to have that look. Next thing you know, you're gonna have a wide body V6. And listen, I like V6, like I always said before, but I just think they should separate the trims. They gotta do something to separate the trims. You know what I'm saying? I was almost to the point where I say they should just keep it exclusively for the Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? Because when you start mixing all the trims and they start all of them looking the same, man, you know, it just I don't think that's a good thing to do. But that's the end of this video, man. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, the kind of condition my paint is in. Again, it's kind of hard to see with the camera, but leave your comments and let me know, you know, give me some suggestions, guys. You know, let me know what worked for you, especially if you have an older model Charger or Challenger. It doesn't matter. What are you doing to keep your paint, you know, looking good? Again, I've been using that Meguiar's spray wax, and that stuff is wonderful, man. I'm telling you, because this thing, my car is what, 4 years old, and it still shines. It's just the chips from the rocks in the road is what the problem is. And I think at the bottom of my car, it's just taking such a beating. It's starting to fade a little bit. Okay, look at a female in the chop. Hey now. So yeah, man. So if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. It's about to get crazy. The weather's breaking, man. That's the end of this video, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.